Hey, what's up, everybody? It is a foggy day in Plano, Texas. I'm here for a law conference. Wanted to get in a quick episode of D'Angelo Legal Daily, so here we go, episode 15. I had an interesting issue come up very recently in a case. Police are driving down the road. It's about 2 in the morning. They see a vehicle pull into a business that is closed. The vehicle turns its lights off and parks. The officer, alerted by this, turns around, goes back to check it out. As the officer's coming back around, the vehicle turns its lights on and pulls out of the parking lot. Police officer does a traffic stop. So here's the question: is that a lawful stop? Did the officer at that moment have reasonable suspicion to believe that that person was about to or had committed a crime? Because if the officer can't point to a traffic violation or can't point to some circumstance that gives him reasonable suspicion that the person's about to commit a crime, then that traffic stop is not lawful. Well, turns out the courts are in agreement. The court said that in that situation, there has to be more. And this is good for my friends in law enforcement who follow me on this video blog. If the police officer only sees pulling in and pulling out of the parking lot, that is not sufficient reasonable suspicion. Police officer has to link it to some other circumstances. Was there any other suspicious behavior? Pulled in behind the building? Were there a lot of burglaries at the building recently? Are there suspects going back and forth from the vehicle with items? If there was more than just pulling in and pulling out, then that stop might be lawful. And this is reasonable, because in this day and age, you're not allowed to text and drive. So if the police see you pull in and maybe do a text message, is that a reason to pull you over? It's an interesting issue. I hope this was helpful in understanding your rights. Stay tuned for more. Of course, you can follow me at Tyler Criminal Defense on Facebook. All right, talk to you soon, folks.